stuck in the clouds. She begs me to calm down, says boy.
The very first time I met Chandan was at work, and at the very first look he appeared to be the perfect gentleman out of the whole lot. And I just don't know how we both just met and then talked to each other and then realized that it was getting too difficult to be without each other as every passing day happened. So, and now here we are, and it's really, really, really beautiful to have him beside me.
And sway to the rhythm of love. My heart beats like a drum, a guitar string to the strum.
So to talk about Chandan, as I told you earlier, he's always there for you. Be it me or be it anyone, he'll always be there whenever you need him, whenever he's making sure that you are taken care of at all times. And he is definitely someone who does not like to follow what has already been tested and done. He'll always look out for something new, and he'll always go for it with the most perfection that is possible. So yeah, he's amazing, and I'm really, really happy that I am with him right now. He's my biggest blessing of everything, and the most pleasant surprise of all.
Aarti, popularly known in the group as RD. We met her, I may say, I met her during the first few days of Deloitte. It was a normal meeting, and there were a shortage of seats. There she was, and I was seated, and I gave her my seat, and that's when we became friends. She thought I was too humble. It was not a move, obviously, but it did work out in that way. Uske baad se it has been an amazing time since then. We were very close friends, and then we grew closer and we realized that we are much more than friends. Since we have been together, I may say that this is the best past 2.5 years that I may have spent in my life. We have enjoyed each and every second that we have spent together.
It's been a lot of months of effort, a lot of love, a lot of care, a little bit of pain, but I know it's going to end beautifully, and I know that the only thing I need in my life right now is Chandan, and I am really, really happy that this is happening, and it's happening so fast and so unexpectedly. So the surprise is just all the more crazy and really, really difficult to withstand the excitement. So I can't just wait to be his bride, and I can't wait to be his wife, and I can't wait to love him more than anything in this world. So we finally had our crazy North-South wedding, and I can't believe it's over. It's more than me and Chandan could ever expect out of a wedding. It was just a beautiful, beautiful experience to see both the sides and both the cultures brought so closely and mingling with each other so effortlessly, and it was just beautiful. And I couldn't have hoped for a more colorful, beautiful and brighter wedding than this one. Me being a South Indian, I could get to see all the colorful and the happy and the crazy aspects of a North Indian wedding, and Chandan could see the peaceful, the quiet and the very different South Indian wedding. And I must say that the Bharat was a big surprise to all us South Indians, but it was thoroughly enjoyed by all of our friends, relatives, and we couldn't have hoped for a better one.